Hey people, so we are at this place called Hole in the Wall Cafe. As you can see, like it's a pet friendly cafe, and that's one of the main reasons why we are here, because generally I want to explore as many pet friendly spaces as possible, because when it's an outing, it should be an outing for my little pets also, I believe. And now we've discovered this place also, Autumn Cafe. And Ayush, what is your opinion of this place compared to the inside or outside? Which one do you like better? Inside. And one kick on your little butt also you need. But it is very sweet that my child is actually the person because of whom I'm able to find these different cafes. So I'm waiting for the Ayush, you know what sandwich is coming? Barbecue rodeo buffalo wings sandwich. Yeah, barbecue rodeo sandwich it's called. So this is how it looks, and my rabbits are happy munching on something. I'm so happy about this. And this is the outside section, and inside is where we were just sitting. So yeah, and you know, we are sitting on swings right now. I find this unique. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. The rodeo sandwich. Ayush, how do you find it?
It's so good.
Huh? Really? So do you think you can have it, or should we pack it?
Pack it.
Really? Yeah, so this is how it looks. Yeah, I can't get over it. It's beautiful. It's a nice cafe. So I think we'll pack it. We'll have the French press.